Would be well deserved if we get a good forecast. In this case, low humidity, maybe so, maybe not. Here's Tucker Barnes.
All right, let's get to the forecast. Lots to talk about, and that headline kind of says it all. The big concern with our Tuesday afternoon forecast, strong thunderstorms. And will we see them? How intense will they be? Will we get gusty winds, slow-moving storms with heavy rain, even a tornado risk this afternoon? So it's one of those days where you want to keep a very close eye on the forecast. And, of course, here on Fox Local and on Fox 5, we'll give you the latest later this afternoon if we do get strong storms. Numbers at midday in the upper 70s and low 80s. It's very sticky, however. Yesterday we got a break from the humidity. It's back. Cloud cover associated with a warm front that came through. It did bring a few showers to parts of the region, mostly north and east of us. Still some showers lingering down at the beach, but you can see for yourself a lot of cloud cover out there. And so the real question, it's fascinating, but this time of year, if we get a lot of sunshine and we have all the ingredients in place for strong thunderstorm activity, we will often get what we call instability or more instability. So the real question next couple hours, do we get a lot of sunshine up ahead of our frontal system? Right now, it doesn't look like we will, and that will impact whether or not we get your run-of-the-mill thunderstorm activity late this afternoon and early this evening, or dangerous, supercells with very gusty winds, a lot of lightning, even a flooding concern. I'll guarantee you this, we'll get something, because I can already see the line of showers and storms breaking out in northwest Pennsylvania and eastern Ohio, and that will all fade down into our region later this afternoon. The warm front is north of us, and that blue line you see, the storms are associated with a cold front, which is off to our north and west, which will bring us beautiful weather, by the way, by Thursday and Friday. So we do have something to look forward to as a reward on the other end of these storms later this afternoon. 1 o'clock, here come the storms. Southwest Pennsylvania, and then our modeling wants to bring the storms in between about 4 and 6, and it may come through in a couple of waves, but again, the darker colors you see, the yellows and reds, that would indicate more intense cell activity, and again, embedded within any of these storms, we could have winds gusting over 50, even the risk of a tornado. So this is one of those days you really want to pay close attention to the forecast, and there you can see what we call a linear line of storms developing into southern Maryland and out along the eastern shore.